Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by parking the van on level ground and allowing the engine to cool completely. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and relieve pressure by opening the radiator cap only when engine is cool. Place a drain pan under the radiator and drain approximately 9 L of coolant into a container for reuse or proper disposal. Gather tools: 10 mm and 13 mm sockets, pliers, a flat screwdriver, a funnel, new hose clamps, and the replacement radiator, plus replacement coolant, and any replacement O-rings or seals you need. Begin removal by opening the hood and removing the grille and upper support by removing 6 bolts and 8 push clips. Set clips aside for reuse. Unclip the fan shroud from the radiator and let it rest forward without stressing the wiring. Disconnect radiator hoses at both upper and lower connections and disconnect transmission cooler lines if your town and country has an automatic transmission. Unbolt any electrical connectors and remove the 2 lower mounting bolts. Lift the radiator straight up to avoid damaging the condenser and fan assembly, then extract the old unit. Position the new radiator into the core support and install lower mounts, ensuring the unit seats evenly and the condenser clearance is correct. Install and tighten mounting bolts to secure the radiator. Install the fan shroud and reconnect electrical connectors, then reconnect hoses and transmission lines and torque bolts to manufacturer spec. 14 FT/LB where applicable. Refill the cooling system with a 50/50 coolant mixture until full. You will use about 9 L. Start the engine, set the heater to hot, run to 90 degrees C, bleed air using the bleed valve or by squeezing the upper hose until steady flow, top off, and inspect for leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.